Welcome to Teens Room. Today we're talking about your money and how you can have a lot more of it. Most adults' money struggles start with mistakes they made as teenagers. The small choices you make now can decide if you're struggling or thriving in 10 years. Imagine life as a video game. Most people pick hard mode by accident, but what if you could learn the cheat codes right now? Today, I'll show you 5 money mistakes teens make, and exactly how to avoid them, so you can build real financial freedom early. This isn't a boring finance lesson, this is your ticket to a different future. Listen closely, every chapter is a level up for your financial life. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get in. Let's start with the biggest trap, spending money just to impress your friends or people around you. It's something almost everyone falls into at some point, especially when you're young and trying to fit in. You see your friends with the latest phone, the coolest sneakers, or the trendiest clothes, and suddenly, you feel like you need them too. But here's the thing. This is a never-ending cycle that can drain your wallet and leave you feeling empty. That pressure to have the latest phone or sneakers? It's a money pit. The more you chase after what's new, the more you'll find yourself always wanting more. There's always going to be a newer model, a flashier brand, or a trendier style just around the corner. Here's the truth. Real friends don't care about your brands. The people who genuinely like you are there for your personality, your kindness, and your vibe, not for the logo on your shoes or the phone in your hand. The people who do care about those things, honestly, they're not worth impressing. If someone only values you for what you own, they're not really your friend. Chasing trends is a game you can't win. There's always something newer and more expensive. The fashion and tech industries are built to make you feel like you're missing out, so you keep spending. Every dollar you spend on a trendy item is a dollar you're stealing from your future self. Think about it. That money could be growing, helping you reach your goals, or giving you freedom later on. Real confidence comes from your mindset and your goals, not your wardrobe. When you know what you want, and you're working towards it, you don't need to prove anything to anyone. So, what's the move? Spend to invest, not impress. Buy a book, take an online course, or pick up something that actually helps you grow. These are the things that will pay you back over and over again. Learn a skill. These things actually increase your value. Whether it's coding, music, art, or communication, skills open doors and create opportunities that last way longer than any trend. Imagine spending $200 on sneakers versus $200 on a course that could help you earn thousands. One fades, the other multiplies your potential. Shift your thinking. Money is a tool to build your future, not just something to spend. Every dollar you save or invest is a step closer to your dreams, whether that's traveling, starting a business, or just having peace of mind. Here's a challenge. For the next 30 days, wait 24 hours before buying any non-essential item. Most impulses will disappear. You'll be surprised how many things you don't actually want after a day of thinking. Focus on spending money on things that grow your value, skills, experiences, tools for a side hustle. These are the things that make you stand out and help you build a life you're proud of. Recap. Stop the comparison game. Social media makes it look like everyone's living a perfect life, but most of it is just for show. Don't let it trick you into spending money you don't have on things you don't need. Your real friends don't care about brands, and the best memories are made from experiences, not expensive stuff. Investing in yourself pays off for life. The skills and knowledge you gain now will keep opening doors for you, long after the trends have faded. This is the first step to financial freedom. Don't mess it up. Start building your future today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. Mistake number 2. Thinking saving is boring or something you'll do later. The best time to start saving was yesterday. The second best is right now. It's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Saving even $1 a day adds up to $365 a year. $5 a day, that's $1,825. The secret: pay yourself first. Move a percentage of every dollar you get straight into savings before you spend anything. Automate it if you can. Make saving a priority, not an afterthought. Treat your savings like a bill. The most important one, the freedom bill. Every dollar saved buys you future freedom. Freedom from stress, from bad jobs, from emergencies. Don't just stash cash under your bed. Open a high-yield savings account. Ask your parents for help. Watching your savings grow is motivating. It's like leveling up in a game. Your mission: Open a savings account, decide on a percentage to save, and stick to it. Build this habit now, and your future self will thank you. Mistake 3. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. It's like your cash just disappears into a black hole, and at the end of the month you're left wondering, wait, didn't I just get paid? If you don't pay attention, your money will slip through your fingers before you even realize it. If you don't track your spending, your money will control you, not the other way around. You'll always feel broke, even if you're earning more than before. It's a frustrating cycle that leaves you stressed and confused. Imagine playing a video game with the screen turned off. You're pressing buttons, hoping for the best, but you have no idea if you're winning or losing. That's what it's like to manage money without tracking it. The solution? Track every single dollar that comes in and goes out. You don't need anything fancy. Use free apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. The important thing is to start somewhere, and make it a daily habit. Spend just 1 minute a day logging your purchases. It's as easy as snapping a photo of your receipt or jotting down what you spent in a notebook or your phone. For the first month, don't try to change your habits. Just track. Be a detective. Your only job is to collect clues about where your money is actually going. At the end of 30 days, sit down and review your data. Look for patterns. Are you spending more on snacks than you thought? Are those little purchases adding up? You'll probably be shocked at where your money actually goes. Most people are surprised to see how much they spend on things they barely remember buying. Once you see the leaks, you can finally start to fix them. You'll spot the habits that are draining your wallet and can make smarter choices. That's how you stop paying the stupid tax, wasting money on things you don't even care about, like unused subscriptions or junk food you didn't really want. Next, create a simple budget. Decide ahead of time how much you'll spend on snacks, subscriptions, clothes, or whatever matters to you. Give every dollar a job. Remember, a budget isn't a prison, it's your freedom plan. It's about making sure you have money for what you actually care about, not just what's convenient in the moment. When you budget, you're telling your money where to go, not wondering where it went. You're in charge, not your impulses. This gives you real control over your life and lets you turn your dreams into actual plans. Saving for a trip, a new phone, or even your future becomes possible. Here's your challenge. Start tracking your money today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. No cheating. Track every dollar, every cent. Even the small stuff counts because it all adds up. This one habit is what separates people who are always broke from those who build real financial freedom. Start now and watch your money work for you. Mistake 4. Relying too much on your parents' money. Support is great, but total dependence holds you back. When you earn your own money, you respect it more, and you learn the real value of time and effort. If the bank of mom and dad closes, will you know how to survive? Learning to earn is like building a life raft. It's about responsibility and self-reliance. Start small. Do extra chores, babysit, walk dogs, tutor. These teach real business skills, but think bigger. Use your skills online. Sell art. Offer gaming coaching. Freelance on Fiverr. Or start a YouTube channel. The internet means you can earn from anywhere. Every dollar you earn is proof you can create value. This shifts your identity from dependent to entrepreneur. Don't refuse all help, but start taking ownership. Offer to pay your phone bill or save for your own expenses. Your mission. Find one way to earn your own money this month. That first dollar is the start of your independence. The final mistake. Thinking investing is only for rich adults. It's easy to believe that the world of stocks, bonds, and portfolios is reserved for people in suits, or for those who already have a lot of money. But that's just not true. In fact, the earlier you start, the more powerful your results can be, no matter how small your first investment. Most schools don't teach investing, and that's actually your secret weapon. While others wait until adulthood to learn about money, you can get a head start. Imagine being the one person in your class who understands how money really works while everyone else is still figuring it out. The most powerful force in money, compound interest. Interest earning interest. It's like planting a tiny seed and watching it grow into a massive tree over time. Even small amounts invested early can turn into something huge. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Every year you wait is a year you lose out on growth. Time is the one thing you can't buy back, and it's the secret ingredient to building real wealth. Time is your biggest asset. Even if you don't have much money now, you have something even more valuable: years ahead of you. The money you invest as a teen has decades to multiply. Someone who invests just $100 a month at 15 can end up richer than someone who starts at 30 with 5 times as much. That's the magic of starting early. Your money works for you, not the other way around. You don't need to be a stock-picking genius or spend hours every day watching the market. Investing can be simple, and you can learn as you go. The easiest way to invest? Index funds. They're designed for people who want to grow their money without having to become financial experts. Index funds are baskets of hundreds of companies, safe, proven, and easy. When you buy an index fund, you're investing in a little piece of many companies at once, spreading out your risk. To get started, open a custodial brokerage account with your parents' help. It's easier than you think, and there are plenty of resources online to guide you through the process. Thanks to fractional shares, you can start with just $1. You don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to begin, just a willingness to learn and take action. The only thing stopping you is a knowledge and action. Every expert investor started as a beginner, and you can too. The sooner you start learning, the sooner you'll see results. Spend just an hour this week learning about index funds and compound interest. Watch a video, read an article, or talk to someone who knows about investing. That 1 hour could change your financial future. Then, talk to your parents about opening an account and investing a small amount each month. It's a conversation that could set you up for life. While your friends buy things that lose value, you'll be building wealth that grows. Every dollar you invest is a step toward freedom and choices in your future. This is how you win the game, not just of money, but of life. Start now, and your future self will thank you. That's it. 5 money mistakes that keep people broke and how to avoid them. Recap: don't spend to impress, start saving, track your money, build independence, and learn to invest. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be way ahead of most adults by your 20s. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend. Don't just watch, take action. Pick one thing and start today. Open that savings account, download a tracking app, research index funds. Your journey to wealth starts now, not when you're older. You have the knowledge, the tools, and the most valuable asset: time. Stay smart, stay confident. Your financial future starts now.